In NewsBank's Asian Life in America collection, you'll find credible, vetted, primary sources covering the impact and experience of Asian Americans as recorded by the news media beginning in the early 18th century to today. More than 700 suggested searches help pinpoint influential events, notable people, and other topics of high interest. For example, click on an era, such as the period beginning in 1942. Then select an area of interest. Let's click on Life in Internment Camps. Zoom in. Here, I'll select Holiday Celebrations. Here you see the suggested search delivers relevant results. Refine results by date, sources, location, languages, and more. Preview articles, or begin reading. Citation information is clearly listed at the top. You can email, download, or share the article. Prefer to create your own search? Enter your terms here. You can save your personalized search and set up an alert. You'll receive an email when new information is available. Asian Life in America content is updated daily. Access is available anytime, in the library or remotely, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.